Hello WazirX holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now my friends. Hope you have a good day my friends. In this video I'm talking about the WazirX token. What's the current price of the WazirX? What's the price change is occurring in the WazirX? In this video I'm going to show you. But before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos my friends. Now my friends, in this time the latest price of the WazirX is 1.13 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the WazirX in the market. Other side my friends, if we talk about the WazirX price changes, so you can see my friends the price changes of the WazirX is completely going wrong my friends. The last 1 hour, last 24 hours, last 1 week changes occurs in the WazirX is negative. Completely the price of the WazirX WRX price is going down my friends. So what should we do in this critical situation? A lot of people ask me this question on my Instagram, on my Telegram my friends. So my friends, at this time I really recommend for all of you, especially for my viewers, my subscriber, and I really recommend for my followers ABS Tech channel. So it's time to hold my friends. Why I really recommend for all of you it's time to hold? Because my friends, if you decide to sell WazirX on this price, so you can see here that the last 1 week, last 24 hours changes occur, the WazirX is negative my friends. So if the changes is negative, that's mean that you are in the loss. That's why I really recommend for all of you to it's time to hold, not to risk. And other hand my friends, if you decide to hold, so maybe there's a possibilities to the price will pump and you will get put a high amount of profit from a WazirX my friends. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction about WazirX? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos my friends.